Welcome back to the channel. Now people believe that Vybz Kartel was set up. Vybz Kartel himself believes that he was being targeted and that he was indeed set up. Some people believe that there's a personal vendetta. And some people now believe that the case itself has become personal to the state. Remember when you hear Wagwan from Vybz Kartel himself before he was incarcerated, and they will continue the Reason Nation. Look and listen.
Where you want this issue to go, what solution you want as a tax-paying citizen of the country, and what are you willing to do in order to facilitate that solution that you would like to obtain?
Well, right now, me want the people them of Jamaica to know that, listen me, I put this to the people them. There's never in the history of Jamaica as an artist come open so much businesses where employ Jamaicans and I pay too much taxes. That means say me put a lot in the system as a DJ. And the DJ never do this yet. I have enough richer DJ than me will come out here and go and win more awards and accolades than Vybz Kartel. None of them no put back in the system like how Vybz Kartel put back in the system. So why the system can't give Vybz Kartel a chance to live and breathe and make money for my pick them? Some man are going like them alone and pick me, you know. See, that is my point to me I try to. Me is not a criminal, me is not a gunman. And with that being told, me not forsake which part I come from and me not deny no ghetto youth. See, me need, if they have no problem with Vybz Kartel, take it up with Vybz Kartel personally. Don't follow me up all over the place and raid everywhere Vybz Kartel there. Like when you say me I walk with 50,000 gunmen. That is not what Vybz Kartel is about. Vybz Kartel is about music, making music and uplifting myself, uplifting my family and uplifting the fans of the music with good quality music, because I'm an entertainer and me get paid to entertain. Seeing, that is my point what I'm trying to say as a man who spend millions of dollars, put millions of dollars in the system. Me need them to just give me a break.
Alright then, and in order to obtain that break, I think, like, what would be the game plan forward then? Yeah, like you made a verbal appeal, we just say that, but in terms of...
Now for those who believe that the case is somewhat personal to the state now, it's hard for you to tell them otherwise. Seeing that the case has reached to the Privy Council, the Privy Council has ruled and also ruled that the authorities have to pay back Vybz Kartel for the money spent and bringing the case to the Privy Council. What has also been exposed is that due process wasn't given, fair trial wasn't given, based on the type of blunder that will take place with the jury misconduct. Shame has been brought to the judicial system. Shame has been brought to the prosecution and to also the judge. And that initial trial. Now, the appeal court is looking at all aspects. From the fact that breaches of rights will have to take place before a retrial is granted, to the same prosecution after jury misconduct and the blunder will take place. Which leads some people to ask, why the prosecution want a retrial? If them now have the evidence and them have only part of a high profile case for prosecute, why them want to prosecute Vybz Kartel and the other co-accused? After them man they behind the bar so much years already. I point out something that the Privy Council just recently agreed with. And that was that they never get a fair trial. Some people wonder if this is a way to get back the money where the government have to give back for the money we spent on the Privy Council. Because that's something the judge asked. How much it cost? And keep in mind, when the judge said that, that was on the state's part. Because it cost the state. Yeah, it costs the state for prosecute too. Prosecutors have to be paid. You know what I mean? Everybody who work at courthouse have to get paid. The state have to spend money. But the defense and the people who are defending their innocence, their freedom, they have to spend money. Now, some people I wonder if this is a big plan to get back the millions that was spent on the Privy Council case. Some people say the only reason why them can see that the prosecution would want a retrial in a case where it seemed like them would lose. Because keeping in mind, there are multiple views. You have people who say no retrial just simply because them believe Vybz Kartel is innocent and has been behind the bars for too long. Based on health concerns brought to light by attorneys in the whole situation, they must say Vybz Kartel should just be freed so he can get the necessary medical attention, be with friends and family, and can pick up him career, continue him career. As even though him they behind the bars over a decade, he must be one of the most popular Jamaican entertainers. But they never say dancehall artists. Never say Jamaican entertainers. You name the genre. I could have ska, I could have mentor, reggae, dancehall, Vybz Kartel. One of the most popular Jamaican entertainers. But there are also other people who believe say there shouldn't be a retrial because it's a waste of time. The state not have enough evidence. It will cost taxpayers for this retrial. And it's not a case where the state can win. Them not have enough evidence. And the evidence with them used, keep in mind, I'm pointing out something. Of course, the jury find Vybz Kartel guilty. But there was a piece of evidence. When the appeal court did uphold the initial conviction, they made point to a specific piece of evidence. Now, for those wondering what that specific piece of evidence was, it was the phone evidence. Evidence from the mobile devices. Now, the prosecution is saying that if there's a scenario, so they already are prepared for this, where the mobile evidence or the evidence from the mobile devices are not allowed, they will rely upon other pieces of evidence. Now, the matter we say the one key piece of evidence with them use to convict. Because some people, when they hear a key witness, they must say, oh, with a key witness statement there, that's enough. But it's because the witness changed statements. It was never the witness statement that was relied upon by the appeal court for uphold the conviction. It was the mobile evidence. So the mobile evidence removed. Does the prosecution actually have a case? Some people believe not. Some people believe that once the phone evidence can't use, them now have nothing else to use. There was never any forensics. Nobody was recovered. And the statement that was given by the witness was changed. And most people, even the version used in court, had inconsistencies. But talk to me in the comment section. Do you think that the prosecution has failed to make their point and why there should be a retrial? And if it is even justified, breaching somebody's right for a retrial. Keep in mind, there are other cases before the court that are scheduled to be brought up to be decided when they are going to be brought before the court, before the official murder trial start. The murder trial start for Donald E. Donaldson and Noel Maitland. The situation is still even started. Melissa Silvera, Mrs. Silvera, the situation has started neither. So will it be a hard task when they're going to try to decide which case they're going to prioritize? But talk to me, tell me what you think. Based on how the presentation went before the appeal courts, Vybz Kartel's attorney said that they are optimistic, seemingly confident. I don't know if the tabloid spoke with prosecution to hear if they are confident in their presentation. Most people feel like for them presentation never got as well as the defense's presentation. Some people feel like they believe the defense was more able to persuade the judge to prove their point that there should not be a retrial. But talk to me in the comment section, tell me what you think. If you're new to the channel and just pass through, click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon, and of course put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share. And tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them for check out the channel, check out the reasoning, and also join the discussion, the comment section of 24/7. It never lack it. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there. We can continue the reason via the comment section. Now until the reason again, my sentiments for you and yours are for to live, love, and prosper, and for to stay tuned.